Welcome to 40 to Kimbrough Lane, a charming Carmel home that blends warmth, comfort, and convenience in a sought-after neighborhood. Step inside to a bright, open floor plan with plenty of natural light, perfect for both relaxing evenings and lively gatherings. The kitchen offers ample cabinet space in a functional layout, ready to inspire your next home-cooked meal. A dedicated laundry area keeps daily chores simple and efficient. Enjoy the convenience of an attached garage for secure parking and extra storage. A stylish half bath on the main level adds everyday ease for you and your guests. This inviting bedroom offers comfort and flexibility, ideal for guests, family, or a home office. A full bathroom upstairs serves the secondary bedrooms with style and functionality. Your spacious master suite includes a private full bath and generous closet space for a true retreat. The third bedroom offers another comfortable and versatile space to suit your needs. Step outside knowing this home offers not just comfort and style, but also an unbeatable Carmel location close to schools, parks, and shopping.